Hey, welcome to Deako. Meet our simple motion sensor and timer. In this video, we're going to go over its features and how to install it. This simple switch brings energy efficiency and simple automation to any room in the house. Set it and forget it. This switch can automate any room with its time setting to create a duration of when lights turn off after you leave the room, occupancy mode to determine when lights are activated, and sensitivity for how much motion is needed for when the switch is activated. Simply remove the faceplate, pull out your existing switch, replace it with a new switch by pushing it into the backplate, and it's that easy. Now that you know how to install and use your simple motion sensor and timer, you're ready to enjoy all the innovative lighting solutions Deako provides.